You gotta do it. No, you gotta show yourself here.
Your turn. Come on.
Ow. I can't stop laughing. That was freaking funny.
You did this at like almost 2 o'clock in the morning. You're crying.
It's funny. Do it again.
You do yours first. Come on. Come on, Angel, do it. You know you have to. Come on, Angel, you're wasting my battery life.
That's my fault. It's funny.
Just do it. Wait, let me see if I can. Your tears.
Are you doing a very good job of it?
No. Come on. Boyfriend can hear what you do at night.
You don't want to know what I do at night.
Obviously, you and your... Oh. He doesn't even live around here. Does he?
Do it again. Do the flirting thing.
You go first. You gotta do it more than that. So look at...
We are retarded.
If only Andrew was here.
That'd make it even more retarded.